Everyone. So, as I have successfully completed my face recognition attendance system project using Python, let me discuss how I've made it and what all libraries are included in it. In last, I'll also show you all that how it actually works, how the webcam detects your face and marks your attendance in .csv format with the date and time you have entered in. So I have developed this project using Python. I've used libraries like OpenCV, OS, face recognition, date and time, and many more. So yeah, let me quickly show you all that how it basically works. So let's see that. You all can see it marked my attendance. So next we'll see picture of Nolan. See, now the attendance of Nolan is marked with the time he entered in. Next is Ronaldo. Alright. And then we have, yeah, then we have Sachin with us. Yes, even his attendance has been marked. And then we have Virat Kohli. Okay, so this is basically how it works. So see, the attendance has been marked accordingly. This is what is face recognition attendance system project. It is a modular method of taking attendance nowadays. So it can be used in schools, colleges, offices, and where not. So thanks for watching, and I'll surely come back with another such amazing type of project. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.